Greetings, folks, from Napa at the Rail Arts District. And this mural caught my attention today while I was out on an errand, and I did not expect to see it. And wow, I really like it. So I'm going to have to find out more information about this mural, and I think I will just visit a lot of the murals at the Rail Arts District here in Napa, and I'll get back to you. Well, this is completely unplanned. This is an industrial section of Napa, but there are some art installations here. This is one of them. This is an electrical box that has been decorated. And you can see the railroad tracks that the wine train travels on here. So this is a walking path and a bike path. No cars where I'm walking. Although out there is a busy section of Napa. Like I said, this is an industrial area. The Rail Arts District does have a bunch of murals and some terracotta art installations and more along where the railroad tracks run. And since I'm out and about today, I think I'm going to take a look at some of them, but this one caught my eye by accident, and so we're going to stop here first. Wow, I really like this one. I'll give you a pan across it. Of course, these are hummingbirds. Love the colors. I think that's what drew my attention. And those hummingbirds have riders on them. I see a saddle and some sort of rider. And that one has the same thing. It's almost like they are aviators of some sort. Interesting. The artist is Trevor Linder, painted in 2020. Wow. How have I missed this all these years? I think because of the location. It's just not in the central part of Napa at all. My goodness. I love the colors and the key concept, which of course is hummingbirds. The riders are a unique perspective. Like, what would it be like to ride on the back of a hummingbird? Okay, I am going to take a walk down this path, but first I need to do one more errand, so I'll get back to you. Okay, well, I completed my errand, and I am now across the street from the wine train depot. And I think this is going to be a good place to start. Oh gosh. Okay, totally unexpected, but I think that's one of the sculptures. Maybe should be updated a little. These tracks are for the wine train. And here's one of the art installations, another electrical box. Interesting grouping of cactus and roses and perhaps colorful rocks or something like that. Not sure. I like the colors. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Okay. Well, here we are at the entrance, or I should say one of the entrances of the Napa Valley Wine Trail. Very popular biking trail here in the Napa Valley. And I'm already seeing some of those terracotta art installations. Well, those three certainly go together, kind of a hodgepodge of color. And speaking of a hodgepodge of color, there's the artist, and here is a brightly painted wall, and some of the colors have been messed up, I guess, by the weather. And there's a matching electrical box. And here's another terracotta over here. So I've parked close to this wine and beer garden, which is a very nice place, by the way. And let's see what we have here. Some black and gray with touches of red. Okay, very interesting. Well, before we cross over the railroad tracks and walk down that path, it looks like this particular mural is best viewed from a distance. It starts out here with some dark colors and progressively gets brighter with the highlighting of the colors at the woman's hand and at the butterflies. There are 3 butterflies that are highlighted. It's an interesting mural, and I wonder what the story is behind it. I'm just wondering if some of these will be better seen from this side of the railroad tracks. I actually wanted to be walking on that footpath over there, that bike path. But I think I'll view one more here from this side. This one is geometric forms. A lot of sharp angles, mostly dark colors. Okay. And now I will go back. Ooh, there's a cool bike shop. Now I'll go back and cross over to the other side of the tracks. This mural is very interesting. Looks like the same fireman with his helmet in his hand, and as the mural progresses, the flower in his helmet has grown. Very interesting. Okay, here's a wall ready to be painted on. I'm sorry to say there is trash around some of these murals, which is too bad. But because this is not directly downtown and where all the tourists go, that's probably to be expected. This mural is cool. It looks like it's promoting reading. Bumblebee love you. And maybe promoting children reading books, which would be nice instead of looking at their phones all day. Oh, I like this one. Yeah. This has a train, a dog. Yeah, this is a cool one. All right, this electrical box has an assortment of interesting images. Here's another one of those terracotta pieces. And inside there is a gym. Okay, we have some metal cutouts, and it looks like these metal cutouts are promoting sports of all sorts. Ah, there's one close to my heart. Dog walker. Maybe the title of this should be something like, "Keep Moving." Well, how about that one? An entire train car is painted. Bright, very bright colors. That really shows up well. Ah, look at the dog. He actually looks pretty realistic. I like that. Oh, and here's some more of the terracotta pieces on this train car. Oh, these are nice. I love the colors on these. They really catch your eye. Probably all by the same artist. Here's another electrical box. Interesting. Ah, the burning of books. Like to know more about the story behind that. This one is interesting. I looked at the sign and it's called International Travels Pot to Trot. Okay, I'm not going to pretend to know what the meaning of that is. But there certainly are international symbols on this one from all over the world. Well, that was interesting. I caught the wine train as it heads down past a lot of those murals. So over here by Copia, there's another terracotta. And actually, there's a matching one. Yeah, a matching pair. And this is the final mural that I'll show you. I'm sure I missed a couple of murals and no doubt several electric boxes. But this is where I'm going to end up today. This is a very colorful, noteworthy kind of a mural because we are downtown now. And the tourists do come here quite often. We are at the Oxbow and at Copia. This is a major stop for the tourists. So this is my final mural for the day. Love the colors on this one, and it looks like the artist is depicting cabbage heads. There is a beautiful garden here, so perhaps that's why. Okay, that wraps it up. I'll take a little walk behind the mural to take a look at the river Yeah, beautiful day on the Napa River. So with this view, I'm going to say thanks for coming along with me on my walk through some of the areas of the Rail Arts District and their murals and their sculptures and electrical boxes and so forth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.